The Crowcon Xgard Bright is a state-of-the-art gas detector that combines advanced technology with simplicity. Whether it's detecting toxic, flammable, or oxygen depletion risks, the Xgard Bright is built to protect. The Xgard Bright delivers powerful features. Advanced sensing technology to detect toxic, flammable, and oxygen gases. An OLED display for on-device diagnostics, showing real-time gas readings and error messages. ATEX and IECX certified for use in hazardous areas. And a plug-and-play design for quick and easy commissioning. The Xgard Bright is available with the revolutionary MPS sensor. This advanced technology provides highly accurate detection of multiple flammable gases, reducing false alarms and ensuring optimal safety. The MPS sensor also compensates for temperature, pressure, and humidity, delivering precise readings in any environment. At Frontline Safety, we specialize in designing, installing, and maintaining gas detection systems like the Xgard Bright. Our expertise ensures your system is safe, reliable, and compliant. Discover the benefits of the Xgard Bright by contacting Frontline Safety.